Hey Jasmine, thought I'd give you a little tour of what I've managed to do in the backyard this summer. I think I got my ocean spray planted. You can see I'm still working with cardboard. All of the rain barrels are plumbed and irrigating. And then I just took your map and whatever I bought, I stuck in the yard where it belongs, which is a little funny looking, but there we've got some twinberry, and I think that's a mock orange. I put wildflowers in with the native raspberries. And back here I did a lot of just starting to cover things up and kill the grass. This is kind of a, let's see, I've got the tall Oregon grape, and this is a Douglas spirea, which doesn't go there, but this is kind of my nursery. So as I bought things that I know I will need eventually, but aren't really ready. So like I've got some little yarrow there and self-heal that I picked up at the Clark County or the Clark College native sale. Just starting to plant things where they go as I buy them, and got some good deals on this edging, recycled tire edging. So that's what it's looking like. Doesn't look like much, but you'll appreciate that this is all you're doing. Thanks. Bye.